Hey, business owners. So this right here is a merchant success sheet. This is a breakdown of a sheet that builds transparency. When a representative comes to your business and asks you these questions, there's a reason why we are asking you these questions. And I'm going to break it down to you. Starting with contact name. Who am I speaking with? Are you the business owner, operator, manager, representative? Who am I speaking with? First and last name. What is the business name? What is the legal name of the business? And do you have a DBA, doing business as? What is the business phone number? How could one of our representatives or someone within our company make contact with the business owner or operator or someone within management? What is the best contact email? Meaning if it's a business email or personal email, how can we send you documents or information? What is the best cell phone number to contact you at? If something arises, how can we contact you? Are there any other decision makers within the business? And if there are, please list them. So tell me about your business. What type of industry are you in? Are you in a niche market? Go into detail what your business is, so we are able to help you to the best of our ability. What made you take this appointment with us? Why did you want to sit down with us and talk to us? Then, what are your likes and dislikes with your current merchant service provider? If you are using credit card or debit card or any merchant service provider within your business, you would talk about the pros and cons of having it. Why does this merchant service provider do really well with you? And why do you like them? And what are things that you may not like, but you would like them to do better? And so that we are able to assist you to find solutions for you. If your business does not accept credit cards yet, why? What are the pros of not accepting credit cards? And what are the cons of not accepting credit cards? So who do you currently provide with? Who is your merchant service provider at the moment? And how long have you had them for? If it's days, weeks, months, or years, how long have you had this service provider? Why did you choose this service provider? A couple of examples are easy to use, flat fee, or within the industry. These are some things. What is your average monthly volume? What this question breaks down is, what is the average monthly volume of credit and debit card sales? So what do you think you take in as credit or debit card sales within merchant services? Then what is your average ticket in sales? This means, what is one sale average out to? So it could vary for any number. Is your statement separate from Amex? So Amex is American Express. So do you get a separate statement that Amex charges compared to your merchant service provider, or is it condensed into one? What is the percentage of cards that are swiped face to face? Meaning that, do you do business online? Do you take cards over the phone? What is the percentage that customers are there in person giving you a credit or debit card to charge them? Are you charging your customers fees? Are you passing on these fees to your customers, or are you taking on the fees? It could be a pro and a con to this question. When you sit down with a representative like myself, I could break down some of the pros and cons of this question? And if you are, what is the percentage? What percentage are you charging your customers, and what percentage are you paying to the merchant service provider? So this question goes into depth with the customer and the business owner. What is your current funding time? How quickly do you get your money when you batch out? Batching out means that you close the system for the day, or how long that you done it, because everyone's batch out time is different. So when you close or strip for the end of the day, or when you're done with business, how quickly do you get that money within that day of transactions? What is your make and model of your current POS or point of sale and or terminal? So who do you use right now, and what type of device are you using? And why are you using this device? What made you choose them? Are they both integrated? Now with this question, this breaks down is that this is more towards industries like cafe shops, restaurants, or big establishments where that they have a terminal for the pad for the customer, and they have their back end screen with the register for the business or someone that's operating the system. Is there a PIN pad? Meaning, is it connected together for customers to put their PIN number in and to see from their end? Do you own or lease your current equipment? Did you buy this equipment outright, or do you lease the equipment from the merchant service provider or from the company that gave it to you? If there is a lease, how much is the lease? Then another question that follows along with this question is how many more payments are left over in total? This question is important because if you are leasing the equipment, what is your benefit that you are receiving while leasing this equipment compared to the purchase rate? So that means if you are leasing this equipment, do you get a benefit out of it after you buy out the equipment? And would you get certain type of warranties if the system breaks down, or if softwares need to be updated? These are questions that will be discussed with a representative like myself. What are the 3 factors are you looking for within an ideal merchant service provider? Meaning, if you sign up with us today, what are you looking for? What is it that you want from a merchant service provider? Some of these questions can mean I want better customer satisfaction, where that I want to call my merchant service provider at any time for them to resolve a situation for me. Another one, a major one I get from business owners, is better rates. They want good rates. They want good system. They might be using an old system that they don't have time to update it, and they're stuck with that. And getting a new system will be costly. Another one could be software update. So these are multiple things on what they're looking for in a merchant service provider. And every business owner has their viewpoint or has their needs on what they want from a merchant service provider. That is for you as a business owner to tell us what we should be providing to assist you to the best of our ability. So there are going to be other questions on the side of this that we'll be asking. Starting off with cash advance. Cash advance means is that, do you need money in advance to pay for inventory, payroll, or other expenses within your business? We're able to provide that for you. Does your business accept gift cards? we are able to provide a service for you as well. Now, with an ATM, does your business need an ATM? Do you get a lot of foot traffic where it's worth it for you to have an ATM? Do you have countless payments? Meaning that are the payments you're receiving tap, or do they have to put a PIN in? Do you have an online store, or do you sell on Marketplace, or that you might want to add this service to your online store? These are really important questions on why we ask the business owner or the operator within the business these questions, is to build transparency. Then we write notes on certain things, what the business owner is seeking, what they want, what they could improve on within the merchant services. And from there, if it moves forward, we show them our presentation book, we show them everything about our business, and we move forward from there.